Make your eyes the center of attention at parties. Here's a quick eyeshadow tutorial to help you achieve a stunning party-ready makeup look in minutes. It's super easy. Start by priming the lids to create a smooth, long-lasting base for your eyeshadow. Every great eye look starts with a solid base. I'm using concealer.
So if you want your eyeshadow to last all day without creasing or fading, a few key techniques can make a huge difference. First, with a good eyeshadow primer, prep your eyelids. And if you don't have eyeshadow primer, it is still okay. You can use concealer like what I did.
Then I'm gonna set it with some translucent powder. The base is ready! Now, here's the quick eye makeup routine. Building the crease. Start by selecting a light brown shade from your chosen palette. I'm using this palette for today. So I'm taking this shade for a smooth transition. Using a large blending fluffy brush, I'm sweeping the light brown shade into my crease.
Using metallic or shimmery shadows are perfect choices for party looks, but before getting to shimmer, I chose a light brown as a transition color.
I'm gonna move it from the inner corner to the outer corner.
For getting that perfect blended eyeshadow, you should choose a fluffy brush, which is essential for diffusing harsh lines.
For a pop of color and shine, apply a soft pink shimmery shade to your eyelids. I'm gonna use this rose gold color and I'm gonna take it with my fingers because it improves shade intensity. So I'm gonna apply it on my lid.
Applying shimmer with your fingers is a fantastic technique for achieving a vibrant, high-impact look.
I'm gonna use the same brown shade for my lower lash line as well.
Sweeping your transition shade to the lower lash line is a great way to make your eyes pop.
Now I'm gonna apply gel eyeliner for more structure. Now I try to draw a simple line above my upper lash line.
The right eyeliner style can make all the difference. You can apply a winged eyeliner that adds elegance and drama, and it's also a good way to make your eyeshadow even more pop. I create a subtle wing at the outer corner for a lifted effect, then carefully draw a small wing for my inner corner as well. For more eyeliner styles, check out my video that I have linked here.
Now I'm gonna smudge a little bit of this color and I put it on my eyeliner for depth.
I press a deep shimmer onto my eyeliner to give it a reflective finish.
I try to blend it.
This also helps my eyes to stand out even more.
And then I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer.
Dab a tiny bit of concealer along the edges of your eyeliner to sharpen the shape, and use a precise brush like a flat or angled one for cleaning up.
Then curl your lashes as usual. And then some mascara. Using my essence for my lower lash line. Now my favorite part is to apply false lashes because it makes the whole look so much more beautiful.
Place the lashes as close to your natural lash line and then try to press down the inner and outer corners to ensure they stay in place.
Remember, adjusting intensity makes this look suitable for both daytime and evening wear. And there you have it, stunning party-ready eye makeup in minutes. Love this tutorial? Comment, like, and subscribe. Share your favorite party looks, and let's keep the glam conversation going.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye!